Hi, this is Jana Whitley, author of the Disney Princess Crochet book that's included in the kit. And today I'm going to do a step-by-step demonstration of how to do the Cinderella doll. Now, as a disclaimer, I want to talk a little bit about this book and how to make it easier for you. First of all, the box, it should have said that these projects are for intermediate to advanced crochet level. However, the publisher neglected to put that on the box. So if you are a beginner, this is going to be a very frustrating process. So I would recommend for beginners that you go onto YouTube and find some videos on how to learn how to begin, how to do chains and single crochets. Also instructions on how to read a crochet pattern, because it's going to look a little bit like computer code with all the abbreviations and numbers. The next thing about this book is it's very small. It's only about 6 or 7 inches high. The text for the crochet instructions is quite small. So if you're having trouble reading it, I would recommend that you maybe go to your copy center and use a copier to enlarge the pages that you want so that it'll be easier to read. Another customer said that it's difficult to hold the book open because of the small pages and the thick binding. So she recommended, what she did is actually cut the binding off, and she took it to a copy center and had it spiral bound so it would lay flat. So there's another solution to make it easier.